With all the electronic systems in today's RVs, an electrical surge can cause massive damage, which in turn can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. That's why we always recommend using a surge protector whenever and wherever you hook up to a power source. Surge protectors from Progressive Industries are portable, lightweight, and compact for easy storage. Designed specifically for RV use, these surge protectors not only protect you from incoming electrical surges, they also monitor for open ground, open neutral, and reverse polarity at the power pedestal. The surge protectors are equipped with a bright, easy-to-read 3 LED indicator, are thermally protected, and are built tough for weather resistance. The surge protectors are made here in America and come with a limited lifetime warranty from Progressive Industries. To stay up to date on all our latest videos, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also like and follow us on Facebook to stay up to date on any upcoming events, promotions, and news.